So in Animal Company, there was two new items, and it is this, and it is this. And now we're gonna start with the Boom Spear. Now the Boom Spear cost $10,000 nuts, just like the others. 3 research points, and the ammo cost 1,000, like the others, and also 1 research point. Now overall, it's pretty big, and it sounds like the Vine boom effect. And when you get the ammo, it looks like that. And it is very heavy. Yeah, that's pretty much what this does. Then we got the new Yeeta Blade for 3,000. Nifty. 50% hook. 50% blade. 100% awesome. And it's like a grappler type thing. And yeah. So also it's weird on that. But you can like be Spider-Man. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. And of course, what do you guys think on these new items? Comment down below and make sure to subscribe.